Mode Machines.
Okay, so we're gonna get into making some basic lines into the SEQ12, and for this first video we're going to start by creating a monophonic bassline. For that we're going to press sequence, first sequence of the first track, and now we're gonna make sure, pressing enter, going into the menu, that we've got the correct values that we want, like steps and different stuff like subdivision and assignments, but also most importantly here is the MIDI output. In this case MIDI output 2. I've got it connected straight into the Moog monitor and it's receiving MIDI through the channel MIDI 1, so that is correct, and the type of track is monophonic. Okay, so now we can start writing some tones. Okay, some notes randomly here. Okay. And now we can set as well the height, the octave. So in here, for example, we've got those half dimmed LEDs represent the octave. So if we would choose like we can choose different octaves and create quite interesting results. Then we could also move into velocity here and set the different velocity amounts for our notes. And then we could also set different lengths for these notes. For example, if we wanted to overlap some of them, so we would set the length highways and it would be represented sideways. And we could also add certain shuffle, for example, in those steps. In this case, I'm gonna leave them off. We could also add a little bit of variation here by going into the control change control 1 page, which is assigned a control change here into number 19, which is the cutoff in the Moog monitor. Okay. So this is now controlling the cutoff. And now we could also adjust the parameter smoothing. So here the difference between this control change being only sharp notes and to being smooth by the smooth parameter. It becomes a little bit more like an NLFO kind of thing, is where the parameters, the values, these steps get smooth and there are small transitions between them, so you get this kind of more morphing feeling. Okay, so that's it for the monophonic tracks. We will go now into polyphonic tracks and how to record this same MIDI control changes, but using an external MIDI keyboard with knobs. So I hope you liked it and see you in the next one.